Creating a group chat on Facebook is a simple process. It can be done through either mobile app or desktop version. So basically start by opening the Facebook app or visiting the website. If you're using the mobile app, you're going to tap on Messenger, the Messenger icon at the top of your screen. Now on the desktop version, you're going to find a similar Messenger icon in the upper right corner. Once in Messenger, look for the new message button, okay? Usually represented by a pencil icon or a new message text, okay? After tapping or clicking on it, a search bar will appear. Here you can type the names of the people you want to include in the group chat. Facebook will suggest friends as you type. And you can select the ones that you want by tapping or clicking their names, okay? After selecting all participants, type your message in the text field at the bottom and hit send. This will create the group chat, and everyone you've added will receive a notification. You can further customize the group chat by giving it a name, changing the group photo, adjusting the notification settings to suit your preferences. And basically, look, group chats allow for easy and real-time communication with multiple people. So it makes it ideal for planning events, sharing news, or just staying in touch. So let me know if this helped.